go back.
Our final analysis of the bodies, they were decomposed significantly, all of them. Some with some parts of the body becoming skeletonized, mean that they are becoming skeleton, some parts of the body. So when we finally did the autopsy, one by one, with my colleagues, we found that two of them were strangled. One of them, we could always find the ligature still there on the neck, but the other one had just the mark of strangulation. One of them had a penetrating injury, a stab wound on the abdomen. Two of them had, three of them actually had head injury. There were some signs of a blunt trauma to the head. And then two we are unable to ascertain what the cause of death. Because of decomposition, it was difficult to ascertain the cause of death.